What's up? It's Cody and my road dog. And we are hitting the road to go to the Dusty Lizard. I'm in LA and we are going to Ouray, Colorado. Ouray! Hooray! Hooray, Colorado! Just a little 12.5-hour drive with no stops. I don't know if we're gonna make it all the way there today or maybe we'll stop in Moab. Ugh. Solo dirt bike camping trip. Let's go! Okay, we are making our first fun stop, and that is at Alien Jerky in Baker. I wonder if they're open. I forget when I leave so early in the morning that a lot of places aren't open yet. This place is really cool. It's a giant spaceship. Peace, dude. Hey, is your dad an alien? 'Cause your ass is out of this world. Dun, 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 dun. He's waving at us. Snacks. I wanted to get some treats for the Mosko Moto crew because they kind of work the pop-up tent at the Dusty Lizard, so I'm gonna bring them some treats. Let's choose them. This is what I need right now. Wake the fuck up. I took a 15-minute nap in the back of the truck because I am tired. I just got back from Sturgis a few days ago and I have not recovered. So. Alright, I chose some. Let's go. I went with roadkill jerky, which kind of feels bad because I'm a vegetarian, so I don't know. But I know the boys are gonna like this, so. Alrighty, driving through Las Vegas, you know your girl had to make a stop at Red Rock Harley Davidson to see Miss Brandy. And I think she has a smoothie for me. Let's go. I love motorcycles. Let's go find Brandy. Hi. What's up, guys? How's it going? Sorry to interrupt.
Oh, you're good.
Hello. Yay. So good to see you.
Smoothie time.
Smoothie time.
Gotta turn this off to drink smoothies now.
All right, I decided to stop and get Taco Bell drive-thru, and I'm gonna attempt to eat a burrito and drive and film. It's really hot too, which is great because it means it's fresh. Hell yeah, dude! $1.50 cheesy bean and rice burrito. Let's go. Thrashing Taco Tuesday ain't got nothing on Cody's Taco Bell road trips. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. The vast nothingness is so mind-blowing to me. Desert. Desert, desert. Okay, so the truck is slowing down on its own. I got in front of a semi and then it just shut off. There's a semi about to pass me. The check engine light is on and it felt like the cruise control kicked in and was automatic braking down, and then it was saying it needs an oil change right now. This is a rental that I just picked up a couple hours ago. All right, I'm gonna try to figure this out. Stay tuned. We are in the middle of freaking nowhere. Nowhere. This is not the drama that I wanted or needed. Okay, so we got the truck running, taking it slow. The view is stunning. Stunning. There's a gas station in 23 miles, so hopefully I can make it and then ask somebody there to help me check the oil and the battery, and we'll go from there. But the check engine light is definitely on, and I don't feel great about it. Don't feel great about it, you guys. Okay, signing off for now. Alright, we got Jigger on the phone, we got the hood popped, and we are checking some oil right now. Yeah.
Don't point me yet.
It's so long. Oh, it's really low, dude. Nothing. And then there's some oil.
Yeah, you see those 2 points?
The top?
Yes. Put your hand around both of those and wiggle it.
Is it gonna electrocute me?
I
mean, should I keep driving though? I don't wanna just do it right now and then it's fine. Or
Just to get back on the highway, just drive to some other She's in the middle of nowhere. She's at a gas station. She's at a gas station. And then when you put the car and just rev it, did it do anything funny? Like rev it high, like and like.
Yeah. So when I started driving originally, then it I was going like 40 and the RPMs were super high. Like it didn't shift itself. So pretty. Alrighty, so saw a cool pullout and stopped, and it was so worth it. Oh my gosh, the sun is setting and it is just absolutely stunning. And I was the only person here for a second. I left the camera in the car and I went to go get it. And now everyone's enjoying the sunset view. How are we so lucky to live in such a stunning place? I want to weep. It's so beautiful. And look at how cute my bike is up there. All right, we're just gonna make it to Moab tonight. I'm about to book an Airbnb or a hotel, I'm not sure. An hour and a half left, and then we'll do 2 hours to Dusty Lizard in the morning. How is this real life? How? Tell me, how is this real life? And the sunset out the window, can you see in the mirror? Look at the truck and the sunset. Nature is amazing. You guys, I'm 8 minutes from my destination, and as you can see in the reflectors here, I didn't realize how fast I was going. Honestly, it's pitch black here. I'm not from here, and I was trying to make it to the last restaurant that closes in 30 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna make it now, and I might be getting an expensive ticket, so stay tuned. Okay, so I got a ticket. My truck broke down earlier, and I booked this hotel specifically for the hot tub. I don't know if you noticed over there, it says closed because of chemicals. So, and I went to a restaurant, and oh no, it's so cold. They said heated. I went to a restaurant because I wanted to order food, and they gave it to me to go, get out of the way. So, anyway, now I'm going to eat my kids' spaghetti over the cold pool and stare into the abyss after my really long travel day. How are you so big? 3 feet! Oh, there's more! There's another one! Okay, we're going inside. Alright. Spaghetti in bed. Romantic. Good morning. It is day 1 of the Dusty Lizard, Ouray, Colorado. There's my dirt bike. There's my tent. I came here solo from Los Angeles, just a little 900-mile drive in that truck with the dirt bike in the back. I met some friends last night, and so I'm gonna go ride with them today. But first, coffee. Let's go. Hell yeah.
Did you freeze your ass off or what?
Nope, I was warm.
Look at that. Yeah, you look good. You know what's up?
Yeah. Here's my new friend and riding buddy. Say hi.
I'm riding with you guys tomorrow instead.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna go with these guys because I like the route that they're doing, and I really wanted to do Engineer and Cinnamon today.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys for tomorrow.
Okay, perfect. The babies! The babies! The babies! The babies! Sorry, I get them all riled up, but
okay.
It's so fun! It's so fun! Thank you. $1.51. What a cheap Phillip. All right, we're gassed up and ready to go.
Right on.
We're somewhere in the middle of #gone.
Look how cool this is, you guys! We saw a bunch of people here, and we're like, we gotta pull off and stop and have a little water break and enjoy these insane views. Oh my goodness! That was such a fun warm-up. $1 million road? No, $50.
Oh, what is it?
Last dollar?
Last something.
Last dollar.
Hold on, no, we got it. Last dollar road.
Yeah, we got $1 million highway and last dollar road. Let's keep going. So we are in Telluride. There's a little mushroom festival going on. It's definitely a cute little mountain town. And we are gonna go find some grub and hopefully some coffee. I'm definitely a little fatigued just because I have been traveling for a few weeks. Sturgis ride and then turn around and do this. But oh my gosh, that was like the funnest trail I feel like I've ever done, but only because my skill level now really matches like the level of stuff I'm doing as opposed to me just struggling the whole time. So, super fun! Okay, coffee and food. Let's go. So we stopped at the butcher, the baker in Telluride. What'd you get?
I got the same as you with meat.
Turkey, brie, avocado, lettuces, a rhubarb jam. Sounds fancy. Cheers.
Silverware for you
Sandwich.
guys.
Oh, we'll take silverware, thanks.
There you go.
I was gonna eat my salad with my hands. Cheers. And you know your girl got a vanilla latte to wash it down. Everyone's here getting first aid if they need that. We've got dinner going on. Was I trying to say, what time it is? It's probably like 7:30 p.m. here. We got the guys serving up.
Here to have some of this food.
Yeah,
Eat the food. Eat the food.
Yes, I love the enthusiasm. The Mosko Moto team is awesome, serving everybody dinner. I had some tacos already. Look how good that is. Yum. Bikes are all parked. People are still rolling in. There's kind of no rules, so I've been hanging out for a few hours. Some people are just getting in. We'll have the band, as if I put any of this on, Mosko Moto. We'll have the band here playing shortly. Professionals, clearly they brought their own chairs. We've got truck and RV camping over here, and the motorcycle tent camping is over there. And I think we're going to try to do some hot springs tonight, so stay tuned. Alrighty, everyone's chilling out, watching the music, listening to the music. I'm pretty smoked, so I'm gonna go right back to my tent right now, and the hot springs close in an hour and a half, so I don't know if we're gonna make it, but we'll see. Are we in Blair Witch Project right now? Okay, so all the nighttime plans. No, your girl came to her tent at 8 to maybe put on a bikini, and then it's like 8:30 right now, and I'm so tired, so I will be going to bed to get up to ride tomorrow, which I'm so excited for. Thanks so much for watching. Today was awesome. I love the Dusty Lizard. I love Ouray, Colorado. I got to make new friends, ride with new friends, do new challenges, eat good food, pet lots of dogs, wave at lots of cows, and
It was an awesome day. I love it here. I love the people. I love the riding. I love the crew at Mosko Moto. Thank you so much, guys, for putting on this amazing event. Thanks to Pete and Ryan and everybody that does everything. You guys freaking rock. And thank you so much for watching. Smash that like and subscribe button and comment where we should ride to next. We'll catch you Cody's Roadies out in the wild. Let's shift gears and change lives.